Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorial how to blur image. So for example, I will open this image, and if you want to blur this image, you can go to filter menu, click on blur, and then you can choose the blur option in it. As example, I will use the radial blur, and you can set for the amount. If you done, you can click OK. So it will be blur the image. You can press undo again, and I will set for another blur option. You can set into Gaussian blur. This is for Gaussian blur. Or the other, you can use the surface blur. You can change for the threshold to change the surface like this, and you can check this is nothing blur and this is with blur. If you done, you can click OK. Okay, that's it for basic Photoshop tutorial how to blur image. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.